Hey there! Did you know that Brandywine tomatoes have a really cool history? Here are 5 fun facts about this special tomato. Hey, stick around till the end of this video because we're going to make something delicious. Number 1. Way back when. Pink Brandywine tomatoes have been around for a super long time, maybe since the 1880s. The exact origins are somewhat unclear, but they are thought to have developed in the Brandywine region of Pennsylvania, USA, which is how they got their name. Number 2. Heirloom variety. Pink Brandywine tomatoes are considered an heirloom variety, which means they have been passed down through generations and have a long history of cultivation. They are treasured for their unique taste and appearance, making them a favorite among gardeners and tomato enthusiasts. Number 3. Yummy flavor. One of the most distinctive features of the Pink Brandywine tomato is their rich, sweet, and slightly tangy flavor. They are often described as having a complex, old-fashioned tomato taste that is different from the regular tomatoes you'll find in the store. Number 4. Big and beautiful. These tomatoes are giants. The fruits can weigh up to a pound or more and have a pinkish red skin with a somewhat ribbed texture. Their size and appearance make them a standout in the garden. Number 5. Saving the best. People who love Pink Brandywine tomatoes work hard to make sure they stick around. They save the seeds and share them with others so that these awesome tomatoes can keep growing for a long, long time. Well, I promised you we were going to make something delicious at the end of this video, and we are. This is our beautiful Brandywine tomato. Look how just red that is. And I wanted to point out, this is not a whole. This is just part of the tomato, the way it grows. And what you'll see on the other side is, because these are heirloom tomatoes, they're not the perfect tomatoes you'll see in the store. They are cracked on top. It doesn't matter. It's the taste that you're going after, and you'll get some beautiful slices out of this tomato. I want to talk to you about one thing here. We have some delicious sourdough bread here that my wife made, and I already have some cut, and here it is. And I want to show you what we have here. So we have fresh sourdough bread, which is great for your stomach. We have some bacon because everything is better with bacon on it. And I have different greens here from the garden. Now everything you see here, except for the bacon, that came out of the garden is organic, has no pesticides, no herbicides, it's non-GMO, and it's real food. And that's why we do what we do in the garden, because we want to eat healthy. So if you look at what we have here, we have some butter lettuce, and we have some different color lettuces. These are all going to be different minerals for you. Here's a red. This one is a little darker than a regular leaf lettuce. This is a variety that grows red and green. We have a spinach leaf here, and also a beet leaf. So we have a variety of greens and a variety of vitamins that are going to go into this sandwich. So let's start with our sandwich. I need a knife. Of course, we have to have mayonnaise, whole mayonnaise. I eat plenty of organic food, so I like my mayonnaise. And now let's cut into this tomato. This is the star of the show right here. Wait until you see this. And as you can see, this knife is really sharp. Look at all that juice that comes out of here. That's beautiful. And that's going to make one delicious sandwich. You can't get this in the grocery store. This is full of vitamins. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So let's assemble our sandwich. We're going to take some of these big, huge slices. I mean, look at that slice. It's as big as my hand. One slice almost covers the entire piece of bread. Two does cover the entire slice of bread. So now we're going to put our lettuce on there. Put all those vitamins. And we're going to put our bacon on. Just like that. And there we have it. That is a real BLT. Look at that. But we're not done yet, because I made pickles earlier in the year. These are garlic pickles. And I've got a couple chips on here. And we're going to put those on the sandwich. And I think we're going to even have a spear on the side. Look at how nice those pickles are. Nice small seeds. So I've got my sandwich, I've got my pickle, I've got my favorite beverage. Life is good. Please hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. I almost forgot the most important part. You get to see me eat it. That's delicious.